another skincare edition. The first lotion we are going to be looking at today is the Koji Sun Body Lotion. This lotion, it is an amazing lotion. It is a lotion that is meant to hydrate, that is meant to polish, that is meant to fade your dark spots. So this lotion is absolutely gorgeous. My name is Blessing Ogboro, by the way, and you are welcome to my space. Now the Koji Sun body lotion also comes with the Koji Sun soap. This combination put together is absolutely gorgeous. Now for this lotion, if you have a sensitive skin like mine, I will advise that you do a skin test patch. You do a skin patch test. Take that lotion, use it on a particular part of your body for a few days and see how it comes out, like 5 to 7 days. And if you don't, your body does not react to it, you are not getting any irritation and all that, you can go ahead and use it. This lotion, don't use it during the day. I cannot overemphasize on this. Don't use it during the day. And when you are using this lotion, make sure that you are always using sunscreen during the day. Get yourself a Vieno moisturizer. Get yourself the other moisturizer. Just use a moisturizer to moisturize your skin during the day, and then at night you can do with this lotion. Now another lotion we are going to be talking about is the Clear Essence. See, this dude has been in the market for a very long time. I grew up, saw my auntie using Clear Essence and all that. It is a beautiful product. It has hydroquinone in it, and it's a very active product. It has its own soap, so use the both together and get yourself any body oil. We have the Abieno oil, we have the Dr. Teals, we have the Macari, we have so many out there, the Glow body oil. We have a lot of body oil in the market, the Neutrogena. Use your body oil with it and make sure you use this product at night. The Clear Essence is a very beautiful lotion if you use it properly. It is a lotion that you use and it just clears your skin, because the hydroquinone in it is a potent, very potent ingredient, and it is meant to fade dark spot. It is meant to clear your hyperpigmentation. It is meant to give your skin that beautiful looking radiance that you are looking for if you use it appropriately. So don't use this lotion at daytime. Those days our aunties, they use these lotions, they go into the sun, go to the market. That's why they were having issues. You can't use hydroquinone and enter into the sun. No. So a lot of things have made some lotions be dumped outside and feel like, oh, it's not good, it's not good. No. If you really want to clear your hyperpigmentation or dark spot, hydroquinone is the very good way. It's a very good way for you to go, but make sure you use it appropriately. So if you are getting the Clear Essence Lightening body lotion and the soap, use it at night to get the full benefit, and you will absolutely enjoy, and you will thank me for this lotion. Now another lotion I want to be talking about today is the H26 body lotion. Oh shit, badness. Yeah, this lotion is beautiful. It is beauty on its own. It is absolutely gorgeous. So if you are trying to use this particular lotion, I advise that you use it at night. This lotion will lighten you. This lotion is not one of those lotion you use and then you start having issues. No. As far as you can afford to buy it, then you are good to go. And make sure, I will always say this on this channel, because at times people just go out and get a lotion and they are surprised that this lotion is not doing what it's supposed to do, or it's giving me issue. It's because you have gotten the wrong one. No. You have gotten the fake. So if you are not getting from me, go and get from Amazon. You understand? There are other places I can recommend to you, but they did not pay me, so I can't recommend that to you. Yeah? Except you come to me. You know, just write to me. Please, where can I get to lotion if you are not getting from me? And I will tell you where to get it from. So I'm not here to do adverts for most of them, because all these things I'm telling you guys is from me to you guys. I'm not being paid for this. content I'm putting out to you guys. So I really hope that you guys appreciate my effort, and I'm seeing your work. I know that you guys are really doing your best, and I will keep it coming. So if you are getting the H26 body lotion, it is an amazing lotion. It will clear your skin. It will give you a beautiful shade. It will give you a beautiful complexion because it is actually gorgeous. Now, another lotion I want to talk about. I've talked about the Medis 5.5 turmeric vitamin C brightening lotion. That lotion is crazy. Like, it's really crazy. The main ingredient is the vitamin C and turmeric in that lotion. Put these two together, you have yourself a bad combination, like baddest, like the goat itself. That is what that lotion is. It is a very beautiful lotion. That is what I have been using for now. I have been using it. I am on my third cup and I am still going because I love it. I love that lotion and nothing is going to separate me for it. For those of you wondering if she's using that lotion, what is her face like this? Well, this is my face. This is not how it was looking like a few months ago. But I'm going through a lot. I'm on medication that messes me up at times. At times it clears, and at times we are like this. There's nothing I can do about it for now. So at times you also have to know what is causing the underlying cause of your problem, of your issues. At times we use products, and at times we see that what's wrong with my face? I didn't change anything. Do you know if your body is undergoing changes or your skin is trying to purge itself? Yeah, if your stomach can purge, your skin also purge itself and wants to clear itself. That is the time for you to be using things that can help with your skin barrier, like your ceramide and ferulic acid and all that, hyaluronic acid and all that. You don't have to use any other things that can make it worse, like your retinol and all that. That's the time to put those things on hold. So for me, it is my medication. I know my problem, and there's nothing I can do about it till I'm done with this particular medication. So guys, if you are getting this particular lotion, please love it. Stay with it. You will love it. In fact, I don't have to say much. You will love this lotion because the way I love this Medis 5.5, I will keep on talking about this lotion on this channel. You can get the retinol, you can get the hyaluronic acid. There's so many of them to go for, but I love this particular one because this Medis vitamin C and turmeric actually lightens you. It gives you that beautiful radiant skin. It gives you a uniform skin. Look at my skin. It is gorgeous. I wish I can open my body for you to see how beautiful this lotion is. So if you are looking for lotion this December to take you there, get the Medis 5.5. You are going to love it. Get a body oil with it and go with a body wash. You can go for the Fair and the New York Bright and Lovely body wash. You can get Dr. Mena body scrub or the Tree Hot body scrub to go with it, and you are going to come back and say thank you so much. So guys, I hope that today we understand and we understood all that we have said here today, and we actually pick one of the best lotions for your skin. These lotions I have come up with are lotions that any one of us can use, even if you have a sensitive skin or you have a normal skin, you have an oily skin, you have a dry skin. For the Medis, buy a body oil if you have a very dry skin, because it does not moisturize as much as I would like it for somebody who has a very dry and flaky skin. So that is all for today, guys. I'll see you on my next video. Stay blessed, stay hydrated. I love you guys. Bye guys.
Wow. Got it now. I'm just
Let's do it. Yeah.